Hi everyone, I am Merciba studying 9th standard in Coding Academy. Today the subject of my talk is color coding of resistor. Friends, do you know this? This symbol is used to indicate a resistor on a circuit, right? R is used to indicate the resistor and the units of the resistor can be expressed using ohms. This ohms is shown in the symbol of omega. This symbol is called as omega. If the value of a resistor is 330 ohms, for suppose if it is 330 ohms, it can be shown as 330 ohms. This is omega. Friends, have you ever observed values on the resistor? No, right? The values of the resistor can be defined using the color codes. In fact, you might have also seen colors on the resistor, right? Now let us find out how to find the values of the resistor using these color codes. Friends, now the commercially available resistors can be either 4 or 5 or 6 band resistors, and depending upon the number of color bands they have, they are known as either 4 band or 5 band or 6 band resistors. In this session we are going to learn about 4 band and 5 band resistors.
Now let us find out how to find the value of 4 band resistors. So if you see any 4 band resistor, you will find 4 color bands, and out of the 4 color bands, the first 2 bands define the first 2 digit of the value of the resistor. Then the third band defines the multiplying factor of the resistor, and hence it is called as a multiplier. And the fourth band defines the tolerance value of the resistor. Now, depending upon the color of this color band, the values of the resistor will change. So now let us find out the relationship between the color and the value that is represented by that particular color. So here you can see a table which defines the relationship between the color and the value that is represented by that particular color. As you can see here, the first 2 columns of the table defines the first 2 color band of the resistor, and depending upon the color of this color bands, the value that is represented by these 2 digits will change. Similarly, the next 2 columns define the multiplying factor as well as the tolerance value of the resistor, and depending upon the color of this color bands, these 2 parameters will also change. Let us see an example. So if you observe this resistor, the first color band is brown and second one is black. So here the brown represents the value of 1 and black represents the value of 0.